What's going on? I'll tell you my name later, because right now, this video is all about you. You want to start a business, but you don't know who to listen to. You don't know even who to trust. You got guys who are 10 years old, driving their Lambos, living these wonderful lives, and it looks good. It looks really, really good. But there's something subconsciously telling you that's not the way to go. There's something that's just not right about that, and you know it, and you feel it right there, but you still are compelled to watch it. So what I've done, it's free of charge, is put together a playlist of business advice and tips for you. Essentially, it's going to be, or there somewhere around there, it's going to be a little eye. Just click on it, and there's 10 videos are just for you, free of charge. All you got to do is just watch them. And if you're interested, my name's Glendon Cameron, founder of Hustlers Kung Fu. What we teach you how to do is start businesses. We teach you how to hustle, and we teach you how to build generational wealth. But don't take my word for it. Just watch the videos and see what you get out of it. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.